Dude, go! Jesus Christ. Is this guy drunk or what?
He's distracted to say the least. No, he might be drunk if he's not just on his phone.
This is not a good road to zigzag on.
Steering clear of him.
Yeah, because if he decides to go off either side of the road, it's going to have bad
Yeah, I think he's drunk. Should call it in, baby. Baby. Call it in. And slow down. Don't speed up.
Foley Police, this is Ken.
Yes, sir. I'm behind a possible drunk driver. I'm on County Road 24, eastbound, approaching 59.
What kind of car is it?
It's a white Dodge pickup truck, Dodge Ram. I can't see a model, but I know it's Dodge.
White.
Why do you think he's...
He has left
Why do
the
you think
road.
he's intoxicated?
He's left the roadway multiple times, including going into the opposing lane entirely. He's now turning southbound on County Road 65.
Okay, you just said he was headed toward 59.
Yes, sir. I was eastbound. Now we're southbound on 65. I thought he was
Okay, that's
headed.
going to be sheriff's jurisdiction. Hang on a minute, I'll transfer you.
Okay. Yes, ma'am. I was calling to report a possible drunk driver. Foley transferred me to you.
Okay, where are they at?
I'm on 65 now from 24. We are southbound on 65.
And what kind of car are they in?
It's a white Dodge pickup. Not sure what model.
And if it's all over the road or how's the driver?
He's all over the road. He keeps leaving the roadway. He's gone into the opposing lane entirely and almost left the roadway on that side. He's just all over the place.
Okay. And what was your name?
Josh Griffin.
And what's the phone number for you?
251-597-7687. We're passing the sand lot now. I think I should be coming up on 98 shortly. I believe I have a license plate for you. I think it's Mississippi Bravo 1624817.
It's a yellow license plate.
Can you repeat that for me one more time?
Bravo 1624817.
know what next road y'all have, okay?
We are sitting at 98 right now.
In Kenny Road 65, old intersection.
Alright, is that red light there?
Yeah. I forgot that this side of 65 is like contested between you and Foley. Alright, still southbound 65 now.
Just so you know we don't stop, okay?
Coming up on a stop sign right now. It's Charolais?
Yeah.
Yeah, you just turn left on it.
Yeah, he's turning now eastbound onto that road I don't recognize.
CHAR. Charolais.
And he's into the opposing lane again. Driving.
That one right now?
Yep, driving down the middle of the road. And in opposing lanes again.
Krupanitsky Farm.
Alright, I'm gonna put you out of the deputy, okay? Hold on for just 1 second for me.
Alright, we're at Hickory now.
South Hickory Street.
Hold on for 1 second.
See, now we're
Alright,
at,
you're on the minute.
ma'am.
Hey there, Keith.
Hey, we're now southbound Hickory in Foley jurisdiction.
Yeah, I don't know. I don't know how the late you were, or how I was 26. And then I was sitting at 65 in Charlotte and never saw a truck coming.
We are probably 30 seconds from you now. I'm passing Michigan on Hickory.
Did they continue in southbound?
Still southbound on Hickory, yes ma'am.
Okay. I'm probably not going to text you again because I was, like I said, I was at 65 in Charlotte and turned around.
I didn't see you myself, so
I don't have a way. I don't have a way to transfer you back.
Just turned on the 9th Avenue.
he's turning onto 9th Avenue heading towards Walmart now, I suppose. Oh, you see him.
I think like I'm going to keep heading that way. But if you will call Foley, because there is no way, because I don't know that I'm going to catch you.
Well, I just saw a sheriff turn in behind him onto 9th Avenue. If that's not you, it's one of your partners.
Yeah, that's not me. I'm not sure. Is he behind you or behind the truck?
He's behind the truck now. I continued on because I saw him turning in behind.
Okay.
And he did go blue lights, so he's pulling him over, I believe.
Okay, good deal. All right, well, I'll be with you in just a second now. All right, I appreciate it. Sorry we can't each other up.
That's all right. That's why I called Foley, and they transferred me to you. So,
Yeah, that's the first, yeah, because we started for India. And if he stayed on 65, that would have been on our jurisdiction.
yeah.
Yep, see you stopping that truck as we speak. I'll pick the call up with you.
All right. Thank you, ma'am.
All right, thanks. Thanks.
I wonder if he's just now leaving the bar.
I don't know.
But Jesus Christ. What's with our luck in finding these drunk drivers?
Is he not stopping?
There he goes. Are we pulling over to give dash cam footage?
No, they can contact me if they need it. Just gonna head on back to the house now because I still need to go by the bank.
He actually waved to us.
Who?
The sheriff.